In part 1, we rebuilt GTM, captured full attribution data in hidden fields and stored it in Pipedrive custom fields with a brand versus non-brand formula. But attribution capture is only half the job. We also need to tell Google Ads and Meta the moment someone submits a form or books a viewing. In this video, I'll show you how I set up real-time online conversion tracking for both the contact form 7 form and the Calendly booking widget using GTM and step server-side tracking. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. This is part 2 of the UK Wedding Venue Attribution series. Today, online conversion tracking via GTM and Stape. 2 conversion events. Both tracked server-side, both deduplicated with browser pixels. For this client, there are 2 key online conversion events. Through CF7 form submission, someone fills out the inquiry form on the website. This is a lead event. Calendly booking, someone books a viewing through the embedded Calendly widget. This is a schedule event. Both events need to fire in real time to Google Ads, Metapixel and CAPI and GA4. Both need to pass attribution data including GCL ID, FBCL ID, hashed email and phone for enhanced conversions. Here is the full tracking architecture for both events. User submits CF7 form or books Calendly, GTM web container, detects the event via a listener, fires the GA4 event tag. Step server container receives the event and sends it to Google Ads, Meta CAPI and GA4 simultaneously. The browser also fires a client-side pixel tag for Google Ads and Meta at the same time. Both client and server fire for every conversion. Deduplication prevents double counting. Part 1. CF7 form conversion tracking. Step 1. CF7 form submit listener in GTM. Contact form 7 submit via AJAX. The page does not reload. A standard page view or form submission trigger will not detect it. CF7 fires a custom DOM event called WP CF7 mail sent when a form submits successfully. We listen for this event in GTM. When CF7 fires WP CF7 mail sent, this listener pushes a CF7 underscore submit event to the data layer with all the form data including the hidden attribution fields we set up in part 1. Now GTM sees the CF7 underscore submit event and your custom event trigger fires. Step 2. Create data layer variables for fields like email, phone, GCL ID and FPCL ID. Step 3. Create a GA4 event tag for self7 submit. Event name generate underscore lead. Set the server container URL to your step URL. Add all attribution and user data parameters. Part 2. Calendly booking conversion tracking. Step 1. Calendly iframe listener in GTM. Calendly is embedded as an iframe so standard triggers don't work. Calendly sends postMessage events to the parent page. We create a custom HTML tag to listen for the Calendly.event scheduled event and push it to the data layer. Note, we read the attribution data from the hidden form fields on the page since Calendly's payload doesn't include URL parameters. This ensures consistency. Step 2. Create a second GA4 event tag with the name book underscore appointment. Use the same event parameter with the CF7 tag and trigger it on the Calendly underscore submit event. Part 3. Step server container step. In your step server container, we will now set up the destination tags for Google Ads, Meta and GA4. Step 1. Create Google Ads conversion tags for both events. Map the order ID to transaction underscore ID for the duplication and include hashed user data for enhanced conversions. Step 2. Create Meta CAPI tags. Ensure the event ID matches the transaction underscore ID for the duplication with the browser pixel. Pass all available hashed user data. Step 3. Forward both events to GA4. Step 4. Configure browser side pixel tags for both Google and Meta to enable proper deduplication. Dual delivery is key. Testing. Open GTM preview mode and submit the CF7 form. Verify the CF7 underscore submit event fires with all attribution data like GCL ID and FBCL ID. Check step server preview to ensure the generate underscore lead event arrives. In Meta Events Manager, you should see events coming from both Pixel and CAPI correctly deduplicated. Once live, every form submission and booking sends real-time conversions. Match rates improve via enhanced conversions and server-side delivery bypasses ad blockers. In part 3, I'll show you how I built the make.com scenarios to send offline conversions from Pipedrive back to Google Ads and Meta when leads progress. If your tracking is broken or you're not sure about deduplication, message me on WhatsApp or book a free 30-minute audit, link in the description. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first. Track revenue, not just clicks.